Good morning, PCE Trailblazers. Welcome back. Happy Monday. Last week we had quite a busy week here at Peters Canyon. Mrs. Alpert's class was doing some science experiments, as you can see in these pictures. We also had a great Field Day Award ceremony, narrated by our one and only Mr. Joe. Mrs. Morgan's class has been working hard on designing and building a lemonade stand, and they plan to donate it to our school just as soon as they're finished. Our fifth graders had their choir practice on Tuesday, and all students got to meet the artist Jacob Lawrence. Open house was a huge success. Here you can see some of our parents in the front office gathering volunteers, and some of Mrs. McMillan's students showing their parents a science experiment that they'd been doing in class. Our fourth and fifth graders got to participate and watch a play of Island of the Blue Dolphins performed by the Laguna Playhouse. It was spectacular. On the right, you'll see our students of the month who showed their personal best all month long. Great job, students of the month. Here's Mrs. Pinedo's class. On Earth Day, they went around the school and collected trash. As you can see, they found quite a bit. Great job. Way to be global citizens. And finally, our week culminated with Mrs. Carreras getting slimed at the flag assembly on Friday. Thanks to all of you who worked so hard to meet our fundraising goal for the fun run. Great job, Trailblazers. And now it's time for Mindful Monday. Today we are going to practice waking up our face. So if you can sit up straight and tall in your chair, open your eyes as wide as you can and blink them 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wiggle your eyebrows up and down, up and down. Wiggle your nose like a bunny. Open your mouth really wide and wiggle your jaw back and forth. Stick your tongue out as far as it will go. Can you make a fish face? Wiggle your whole head around. Now hold your body very still. Take a long breath in and let it all the way out. And you are ready to learn. Have a great day.